gusto ko yung magkasama tayo ulit, and that's the reason why magkasama tayo ulit, because we now understand each other. Dahil tayong dalawa lang naman talaga makakalimutan.
Actually, yun po, baka ano tawag ma, yun ang, yan yung talagang nakakapagtaka for us.
Sabi kasi, huwag mo tatawagan kasi gabi-gabi.
Mamaya, tatawagan kita, tingnan na.
Okay.
Ito yung movies ng mga movies natin. Ito yung mga songs. Sa paligid mo, ano yung naalala niyo?
Panonoorin tayo sa kanila.
Panorin po natin
Panoorin
ito.
pa yung pag-uusap namin dito sa mga in-interview kami magkahiwalay.
Panorin natin ito.
Sexy niya, oh. Sexy niya.
First kiss, yung kiss namin sa
Nakapinayan, ano?
first kiss.
May IB. Madali yan sa IB.
Maliit lang pala ang katawan.
Wala
Wala tayo
It
sa
wasn't really
theater.
as it was to me. It was...
It was backstage.
Oh! Oh!
Sa totoo lang, I remember kung ano yung during those days, and sometimes
Galing naman.
so forth. Tapos may isang maliit na regalo yun. Sabi nga nila, di ba, make surprises comes in small gifts. You know?
Oh, yeah. Maybe little gifts when we were kids, so flowers or something. But he did give me a ring before he proposed pa. We were just boyfriend, before I said yes to the wedding marriage proposal. He gave me a ring that I wore all the time. I had the 2-night concert in Araneta Coliseum called Sharon Solo with the Boys in July of 1984. And it was at the last rehearsal, the night before the first show, that he came to Araneta and I was already going backstage. Tapos may hagdanan pababa sa floor na. From the stage, I went like this, and I saw him coming. So, nasa taas pa ako, hindi pa ako nakakababa ng hagdanan. And that's when he just said, let's get married. I wanna marry you.
Okay, so when I was
Baka inano ako ni
backstage,
Facebook.
when I proposed,
Kasi
that
bago
was
ko
not planned.
Hindi,
Those
okay na
things
daw.
just happened, it was spur of the moment. So it was fun, and that moment you really felt it. This is it.
Sexy niya.
First time na alam ko she was pregnant, we were excited, syempre. We knew we were gonna have a baby. And that was the moment na, you know, everything's gonna change. So iba pa yung feeling na yun, when you know na
This is man I love. You know, my husband and I are gonna have a baby. She was about to be the next day, and she was so big and beautiful. And the first time my mom saw her, because my mom was there when I delivered, my mom right away said, "Look like Daddy." Actually, she looked a lot.
yung dalawa. And it was such a beautiful feeling. It's unexplainable.
Ako na naman. Bili ko na rin damit niya. Nako. Ano na yun?
Fairy tales are make-believe. And the reality of the ending of the relationship for our prince and princess was not a happy one. But with the passing of time and the shared love of their one and only daughter, After 43 years, here they are, together again.
Yes!
Thanks to healing, forgiveness, new beginnings, new families, and their forever
Dito yan?
fans.
Dito yan eh? Yung kasama si Casey? Dito din last.
Oh, pero wala si Gabi.
Ang hirap din nung napapanood natin yung life story natin. Kasama silang lahat. Parang kunyari walang tao. Ang ganda na natin pinagdaanan, no?
Oo.
Itatag niyo po siya.
Tag
Yung
niyo.
lagi niyang request.
Tag niyo ako, alam niyo parati ko nire-request yun. Conception Gabi. Huwag yung Gabi Conception. May kumuha nun eh. Conception Gabi.
Conception, that Gabi ba?
Hindi, at Conception Gabi.
Dot-
Sino sa inyo may Instagram? Wala?
Facebook, di ba?
Facebook? Ayan, Instagram. O, yan lang.
May Instagram mo.
dami-dami kong nire-request. Wala parang ako.
Makakala na nag-joke ka.
Hindi, never-hurt ako.
Para nyo nang awa, itag niyo po siya. Tapos
Ano?
itag mo ko. Okay.
Ano naman? Okay.
Anyway, here's another song I have for you. Because our story is so makulay.
Alam mo, talagang manonood na ako talaga sa'yo. Alam
Hindi ka pa nagsasawa.
Sino sa inyo?
Ano na to?
Sino sa inyo rito nakikita ako ron? Hindi nyo makita? Madilim eh.
Madilim eh.
Tinitignan kita, binibidyohan pa kita. Kaya galingan mo.
Ako. Maganda yung tanda.
Ako, galing-galing mo talaga. Bata pa ako, pinanood na kita.
Kasi 12 pa lang kumakanta na.
Oo naman.
Kasi artista ka, a little late.
Yung favorite song ko, yung Mr. DJ.
Alam mo, yan ang sinasabi ng mga tao, di alam yung mga sumunod kong kanta.
Oo, mas bagay pa lang. Ba't kaya basta gano'n, no?
Pero may isa ka pang favorite, lalo na pag may party.
Oo naman, lahat ng mga kanto ko alam. In fact, yung lahat. Hindi ko siya nakakalimutan. Narinig na nila yun eh. Di ba sino sa inyo ng mga pinopost ng iba? No? Ang di lang kita naaalala pag buffet.
Bakit?
Picture, walang-
Walang pagbabalot.
Walang balot.
Oo, hindi ko sasabihin yung party, ibabalot na yung iba. Oo, paano na yung party. Tapos, wala pa yung dress. May take away na sila.
Ito lang na, ano? Tupperware. Zip na.
Ako din ako silip ako punta lang sa kitchen, aluminum foil, okay ba? Wait, break. O medyo magpapaalam tayo kasi minsan pagdating ng bisita, ay wala nang food.
Di ba, Ale?
Ano
Alam ko,
kantang niyo? Ano yung kantang niyo?
alam mo, miski masaya tayo ngayon, meron akong kakantahin para sa'yo. Ikaw naman ang naging sa akin.
O sige,
Ah.
ako mag-video.
Sige mo ako, ah.
Turo ko mag-video. Hindi ko alam